Are you tired of posting on LinkedIn and getting zero results? You're not alone. With the right LinkedIn marketing strategy, you can turn your profile into a customer lead generating machine that attracts clients and grows your business on autopilot. Today, I'm revealing LinkedIn marketing strategies that actually generate leads and grow your business. In this video, I will walk you through step by step the LinkedIn marketing strategy that is generating thousands of dollars for users that apply these strategies. Let's get started right now. In today's digital landscape, growing your presence on LinkedIn has become increasingly vital for professionals and small business owners alike. Over the years, LinkedIn has evolved significantly, transitioning from a simple networking site to a robust platform that prioritizes content and engagement. This evolution has been accompanied by numerous algorithm changes, which dictate how content is displayed and who sees it. Understanding these shifts is crucial for anyone looking to leverage LinkedIn effectively. The potential for organic growth on this platform is immense. With the right strategies, individuals can enhance their visibility and connect with a broader audience. For professionals, this means establishing authority in their field, while small business owners can tap into new markets and foster valuable relationships. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will explore 5 key strategies that can help you navigate LinkedIn's complexities and maximize your growth potential. By adapting to the platform's ongoing changes and implementing these strategies, you can position yourself for success in an ever-evolving professional landscape. Utilizing native video on LinkedIn is crucial for enhancing engagement and visibility in today's content-driven environment. The LinkedIn algorithm distinctly favors video content, often prioritizing it in users' feeds, which can lead to increased reach and interaction. In fact, studies show that video posts receive significantly higher engagement rates compared to static posts, with video content generating up to 5 times more comments and shares. This stark contrast highlights the importance of incorporating video into your LinkedIn strategy. By creating and sharing native videos, you not only capture attention more effectively but also foster deeper connections with your audience. One effective approach is to transform your top-performing posts into simple video explainers. This allows you to convey your message in a more dynamic format while leveraging the existing interest in your content. By doing so, you can enhance your visibility and encourage more meaningful interactions. Embracing native video on LinkedIn is not just a trend, it's a strategic move that can significantly elevate your professional presence and engagement on the platform. Enhancing your LinkedIn profile is essential for improving conversion rates and attracting the right opportunities. Start by crafting a clear and compelling headline that succinctly conveys your professional identity and value proposition. This is often the first impression potential connections or employers will have, so make it count by including relevant keywords that reflect your expertise. Next, focus on writing an engaging about section tailored to your target audience. This is your chance to tell your story, showcase your skills, and explain how you can solve problems or add value. Use a conversational tone and include specific achievements to make it relatable and memorable. Additionally, don't underestimate the importance of a strong featured section. This area allows you to showcase your best work, such as articles, presentations, or projects, and can significantly attract interest from viewers. By strategically curating this section, you can highlight your accomplishments and demonstrate your expertise visually. Together, these elements create a powerful LinkedIn profile that not only captures attention but also encourages meaningful connections and opportunities for conversion. Using a personal profile on LinkedIn for initial growth offers several distinct advantages over a business page. Personal profiles tend to build trust and foster engagement more effectively, as they allow for authentic connections between individuals. When people see a real person behind the content, they are more likely to engage, comment, and share, creating a sense of community and trust. This personal touch is crucial, especially when starting out, as it helps establish your credibility and authority in your field. Focusing on personal branding as a starting point enables you to showcase your unique skills, experiences, and personality, making it easier to connect with your target audience. By sharing insights, stories, and expertise, you can cultivate a loyal following that values your perspective. While personal profiles are ideal for initial growth, it's important to recognize that business pages can play a supportive role later on. Once you've established your personal brand, a business page can help amplify your message, promote your services, and provide a platform for your growing community. Ultimately, starting with a personal profile lays a strong foundation for future business endeavors. Increasing engagement on LinkedIn posts requires a strategic approach that goes beyond simply sharing content. It's essential to prioritize meaningful interactions, as these foster a sense of community and encourage deeper connections. One effective method is to engage in thoughtful commenting on others' posts. By providing insightful feedback or sharing relevant experiences, you not only contribute to the conversation but also increase your visibility within your network. Additionally, personalized outreach to your connections can significantly enhance engagement. Taking the time to send tailored messages or follow up on discussions can strengthen relationships and encourage more interaction on your posts. Another powerful tactic is to end your posts with questions that invite responses. This approach not only sparks discussions but also encourages your audience to share their thoughts and experiences, creating a more dynamic dialogue. By asking open-ended questions, you can stimulate engagement and make your audience feel valued. Ultimately, focusing on these methods will help you cultivate a more engaged network, leading to richer conversations and increased visibility on the platform. To effectively engage LinkedIn audiences, it's essential to focus on 3 types of posts each week: value-driven content, storytelling, and conversation starters. Value posts provide actionable insights, tips, or industry trends that can help your audience solve problems or improve their skills. These posts establish you as a knowledgeable resource and encourage shares and saves. Storytelling posts, on the other hand, allow you to connect on a personal level by sharing your experiences, challenges, and successes. This human element fosters relatability and builds trust with your audience. Lastly, conversation starters are designed to provoke thought and discussion, often ending with a question that invites responses and encourages engagement. Additionally, consider repurposing successful content into different formats to maximize reach. For instance, a popular blog post can be transformed into a video, infographic, or a series of shorter posts. Successful creators often employ these strategies. For example, they might share a compelling personal story in a video format while also summarizing key takeaways in a text post. By diversifying your content and focusing on these 3 types, you can effectively resonate with your LinkedIn audience and enhance engagement. Analyzing LinkedIn analytics is crucial for refining your content strategy and ensuring that your efforts yield meaningful results. It's important to differentiate between vanity metrics, such as likes and follower counts, and actionable insights that provide deeper understanding of your audience's behavior. While vanity metrics can offer a superficial sense of success, actionable insights reveal what content truly resonates with your audience, helping you make informed decisions. Regularly checking your analytics allows you to identify which posts are performing well and which ones may need improvement. By examining metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and audience demographics, you can gain valuable insights into your audience's preferences and interests. Moreover, it's essential to adjust your strategies based on performance data. If certain types of content consistently outperform others, consider creating more of that content to capitalize on its success. Conversely, if specific posts underperform, analyze the reasons and adapt your approach accordingly. By leveraging LinkedIn analytics effectively, you can create a more targeted and impactful content strategy. This not only enhances engagement but also drives meaningful connections within your professional network. The 3C framework, content, conversation, and conversion, serves as a powerful guide for maintaining consistency on LinkedIn. Each component plays a vital role in building a strong presence on the platform. First, content refers to the valuable and relevant information you share, which should align with your professional brand and audience interests. Regularly posting high-quality content helps establish your authority and keeps your audience engaged. Second, conversation emphasizes the importance of engaging with your network. This involves not only responding to comments on your posts but also actively participating in discussions within your connections' content. This two-way interaction fosters relationships and enhances your visibility. Lastly, conversion focuses on turning engagement into tangible outcomes, whether that's generating leads, securing job opportunities, or building partnerships. To effectively implement the 3C framework, consider time management tips such as scheduling dedicated blocks for content creation and engagement. Additionally, regularly tracking and updating your featured content is crucial. This ensures that your profile reflects your most relevant achievements and insights, keeping your audience informed and engaged. By adhering to the 3C framework, you can cultivate a consistent and impactful LinkedIn presence. We've explored several key strategies for effectively growing your presence on LinkedIn. We discussed the importance of leveraging native video to enhance engagement, crafting a compelling personal profile to build trust. Also, focusing on meaningful interactions through thoughtful commenting and personalized outreach. Additionally, we highlighted the significance of analyzing LinkedIn analytics to refine your content strategy. Also, I introduced the 3C framework: content, conversation, and conversion, as a guide for maintaining consistency. Now, we encourage you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Like the video, and share it with your network to help others benefit from these insights. Your engagement not only supports our community but also helps spread valuable knowledge. For those looking to dive deeper, we've linked additional resources in the description below. These materials can provide further guidance and tips to enhance your LinkedIn marketing strategy. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you implement these strategies to achieve your professional goals on LinkedIn.